up, guys and girls? Welcome back to another edition of The Cocktail Guy. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my riff on the modern day gin basil smash using Thai basil, which I've aptly named the Thai Basil Smash. Here's some Thai basil here. It's uber fragrance, sort of reminiscent of star anise and cinnamon aromas, which will work beautifully with our cinnamon sugar syrup, which you're going to be making in a second. The base spirit for this cocktail is gin. Again, I'm going to be working with Bombay Sapphire, and the citrus element is a blend of lemon and yuzu juice, and the yuzu juice I picked up from a local Asian supermarket. This is a super simple, uber delicious smash style drink, which we're just going to be serving over a block of ice. But before we make this cocktail, we're first going to need to make our cinnamon sugar syrup. So in order to do this, what we're going to do is we're going to take 200 grams of water and we're going to add it to a pan over a low heat. And then we're going to break in a small cinnamon stick. It's approximately 4.5 to 5 grams. And you're going to leave it to infuse. And once you see that water start to turn brown, turn off the heat and leave it for further 15 to 20 minutes to encourage that infusion and flavor. And then you're going to add in 150 grams of sugar and you're going to mix it until the sugar has dissolved. Then you're going to filter the water, and that's just in case we have any left small bits of the cinnamon bark that's broken off into the water. We don't want those, we want to get rid of those. Allow it to cool, and then you're going to bottle it. And what we've ended up with is this beautiful cinnamon sugar syrup, which we're going to use in this Thai basil smash. So there we go, guys. Very simple of preparation, and now let's get on with the drink. Okay guys, so the first ingredient we're going to be adding into our shaker, because this is a shaken cocktail, is our Thai basil. And we're going to need approximately 8 to 10 leaves. There we go. I'm going to tear these up just to encourage some infusion. So a few more here. There we go, 2 more. Now I'm going to muddle these. You don't have to muddle if you don't have a muddler. I'm just going to encourage some further infusion. I'm just going to gently muddle those. There we go. And then I'm going to add in 60 mils or 2 ounces of gin. I can already smell it. It smells delicious. Okay, we're going to add our citrus. So the first ingredient we're going to be adding is our lemon juice, and we're going to be adding in 10 mils of lemon. I've already got some pre-squeezed here. And then our yuzu juice. And we're going to add in 15 mils of yuzu. There we go. And the last ingredient is our cinnamon sugar, which I'm going to be adding in 3/4 of an ounce, or approximately 20 to 22 mils of cinnamon sugar. Give it a taste. Ooh. Add our ice. And then we're going to give this a shake. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is going to strain it into our glass, and I've already got my pre-cut ice block here. Beautiful. And we're going to double strain this. There we have it. And then the last element is obviously a garnish. I'm obviously sticking with my Thai basil. Just going to give it a gentle slap, just to release those aromas. And there we go, just down the side of the glass. And there we have it, guys, our Thai basil smash. Super simple, uber fragrant, looks delicious. Can't wait to give this a try. In fact, no, I'll wait for the end of the video. There we go, guys. Thai basil smash. Super simple, give it a go. In fact, I am going to give it a go. Yes, that's a beaut. Oh, delicious. There you go, guys. I do hope you enjoy making this cocktail. It is super simple. All you need to do is make your cinnamon sugar syrup and buy some Thai basil, which you can buy online or at most supermarkets. As always, guys, if you have any comments, drop any questions below the video. Give me a thumbs up if you do like the video or if indeed you like my content. If you haven't already done so, please do subscribe to this channel. Otherwise, guys, until the next video, from me to you, cheers. Well, I'm going to take this one to go. Oh yeah. Cheers.